with the configure method of a Tkinter button, you can change properties of a button after creating that button. For example, here we change the text, the width, the height, the background color, the foreground color, and the font. Sometimes we don't know in advance which keys to change with which values. This is why we are going to do this. So now, instead of calling configure with all these parameters, we are going to create a dictionary and use these parameters as keys, and the values are the key values, and see the results. Here, instead of calling all these values, we are going to simply use the double asterisk operator with the dictionary. So this way it will deconstruct the values and all configure with the right key value. You can see that it worked. We can change, for example, here the background color to red and the foreground color to yellow, and it will still work. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.